guys, welcome to my channel. If you're watching for the first time, my name is Padmaja and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle and some vlogs here and there. If these are something that interests you, do check out other videos on my channel as well. And coming to today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my footwear collection. I don't have a lot of pairs to show you guys, but I think good enough to make this video. And I'm in no way boasting or trying to show off what I have here, but I think this video might help you guys a little as to where you can buy some good footwear from. So that is what this video is all about. And yeah, if you're interested, just keep watching. And on that note, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, let's get into the video. Starting off with flats, I have this light grey color bellies which has a bow detailing on the top. They're very comfortable yet cute at the same time. I've got this from street shopping for like 200 rupees, which is very inexpensive, but the quality is really good. I think these are really flattering on my feet as well. Next up we have these tan colored flats with gold colored stones on it, and they're the comfiest pair of footwear that I own. They're from Bata and you know their quality. I don't even have to explain it further. They're very versatile and goes with every outfit possible, and hence I love them. Next we have this black colored basic pair of slippers. They do have heels, but not sure if I want to include them in the heel section. I think they're just slippers with some height, but yeah, I used to wear them a lot during college and they go well with almost everything, and good that they're still in a great condition and they're very inexpensive too. Next we have these embroidered gold flats which I think are from Khadims. Mostly my mom wears them, but I do wear them sometimes with some ethnic outfits, and I think they really go well with ethnic wear or fusion wear. Next we have these grey colored flats. I got them at Mysore street shopping. I think they're just for 100 rupees, which makes sense. They have a basic design and are easy to wear. So yeah, not much to talk about them. I just like them. Next up we have these black flats which are also from Mysore street shopping. Honestly, I do not even remember that I have these until I was gathering all my footwear to make this video. Now that I have found them, I think I'll be wearing them in future. They're so pretty and look so flattering on my feet. So yeah, I will definitely be wearing them from now on. Next we have these beige colored gold embellished flats. They have a little height to them, but they're more like flats only, so let's call them flats. And yeah, these are the most worn pair of footwear after the lockdown. I'm just wearing them to everywhere and they're very comfortable and also gives a little height to me, which I like the most about it. And yeah, they're also from Mysore street shopping, which I think I got them for 200 rupees only. Moving on to shoes, I have this really pretty gold colored Oxford shoes from Ajio which I have never worn. I think I've only worn them once for a photo shoot for like an hour or so, and that's it. But yeah, now that I got them out, I will definitely try to put them to use with some outfits because these shoes are really so pretty and I shouldn't be ditching them like that. Next up I have this red colored Oxford kind of shoes that I got from Hyderabad street shopping. Honestly, they're a tad bit tight for me and I don't really like them that much. And yeah, I've never worn them once either. I mean, they're kind of good but not really my style at all. So let's just move on with that. Next we have these black shoes with turquoise colored detailing which makes the shoes look so pretty. I usually wear them for walking, but I do not go for a walk that often. So they're almost brand new. I think I got them from Flipkart and they're very inexpensive. I don't remember the exact price, but I'll check it. They're a bit stiff, but they are still comfortable, and for how much I use them, they're not bad at all. Next up we have these white sneakers from Shein. They are my most favorite pair of footwear from my whole collection. I just love them so much. They're so pretty, very comfortable, very versatile, gives the right amount of height and goes with all my outfits. They're very dirty right now as I went for trekking with them last time and I haven't got them washed ever since. So don't mind that, but yeah, I really wish I had bought more shoes from Shein before it got banned. So sad, but yeah, let's move on. We have another pair of white sneakers which I got from Jabong a very long time ago. They have this white and green color embellishments on the side which look so pretty, and why I got them in the first place. They're in a okayish condition. I think I can wear them a few more times before they get ripped off. And yeah, that's all for the shoes that I own. So moving on to heels, I have this gold color glitter heels which are so pretty. I got them from Reliance Footprint. They are great for occasions and parties, functions and things like that. These kind of heels are very versatile and goes almost with all the outfits, which is a really good thing. I really like them a lot, and the heels are not too high to the extent of being uncomfortable. So yeah, they're really comfortable and are so pretty. Next we have this black chunky heels from Ajio. They're really nice, just a tad bit loose on me, but they're very comfortable, so not a problem at all. I think they look really good with midi and short dresses. Moving on. Okay, these are the craziest pair of heels that I own. These wedges are from Truffle Collection. I got them from their website since they're out of stock in my size on Myntra, I guess. They have this Aztec kind of print on the sides and black fringes on the top. Fringes are kind of in trend when I actually bought them. I really like them a lot, and they do have a good height to them. They're not so practical to wear very often, but if I want to stand out from others, these are the ones to go for, like literally. And moving on to the last pair of heels and to the end of my footwear collection, I have these orange tinted transparent heels which are from Ajio again. I really like them a lot, though they're not very comfortable to wear for a longer time since they're plastic on the top. But these heels are very trendy and edgy, looks great and has that square cut in the front which is in trend these days. So yeah, love them and they're very affordable too. So that is all for the video. If you guys have anything to say, please leave down in the comment section below and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys again next week. Until then, take care. Bye.